Hindi mo ba napapansin? Mga bulaklak ay magkakawangis, mga dahon ay magkakahugis. Hindi mo ba naitatanong? Mundo'y may ayos na sinusundan, sa mas inyo yan malalaman. Halina, sumama na kayo, maglakbay, mag-enjoy, maglaro, tuklasin ang nasa buhay natin. Halina, magmasa tayo. Halina, sumama na kayo, maglakbay, mag-enjoy, maglaro, alagising, maging makinig.
Good morning, everyone. Here we are again to your favorite noontime show, Modern Matinee. And in this show, we will understand mathematics without striving hard to understand it, instead to enjoy it. Yeah, but I guess before we proceed to the topic, we should define first what is the meaning of the function.
Function is said to be the central idea in the study of mathematics. If x and y are two non-empty sets of real numbers, a function from x into y is a rule of correspondence that associates with each element of x a unique element of y.
So how can I know if that is a function? So for you and for our viewers to further understand the lesson, let's give the characteristic of a function and the example about it. On characteristic number 1, it says that each element in A is matched with a unique element in B. For example, element A, Lani C. Guevara, corresponds to element B, which is bookkeeper administrative assistant 3. The next example is element A, Vicente D. Capiral Jr., corresponds to element B, disbursing officer administrative assistant 2. And the third one is element A, Desiree Pangkoy, corresponds to element B, which is office clerk. So we can conclude that each element in A is matched in a unique element in B, and that's characteristic number 1. Now, let's move on to characteristic number 2, which says that some elements in B are not matched with any elements in A. Like for example in playing chess. Let's suppose that the white chips serve as the element A, while the black chips serve as the element B. Let's start with the white king. The white king corresponds to the black king, while the white queen corresponds to the black queen, and the white bishop corresponds to the black bishop. So as we can see, the rook is not matched with any elements in A. So we can conclude that some elements in B are not matched with any elements in A. And that's example number 2.
And now, let's move on to characteristic number 3, which states that two or more elements in A may be matched with the same element in B. For example, students Chris, Alvin, Maritrey, and Joey corresponds to the element A, while sections 1, 2, and 3 corresponds to element B. Chris belongs to section 1, while Alvin belongs to section 2. And as you notice, Maritrey and Joey both belong in section 3. So now, we can conclude the two or more elements in A may be matched with the same element in B. And that's our third characteristic of a function.
And now, we're going to give you some enrichment activities to test if you really understand the lesson. Determine whether the correspondence depicted in each table is a function or not. Number 1. That is a function. Number 2. You're right. That is not a function. Number 3. Amazing! That is a function. Number 4. Correct! That is a function.
Next.
Wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy. Grab my glasses, I'm out the door. I'm gonna hit the city. Before I leave, brush my teeth with a bottle of Jack. 'Cause when I leave for the night, I ain't coming back. I'm talking pedicure on my toes. Trying on all our clothes. Blowing up our phones. Playing our favorite CDs. Filling up to the parties. Trying to get a little bit
The black sheep serve as our
Don't
element.
stop, make it
Start
pop.
with
DJ
the
blow my
black,
speakers
the
up
white.
tonight. I'ma fight till we see the
kawet.
sunlight. Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop. No. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight. Tick tock on the clock, but the party don't stop.
Some elements in A.
In the world, I got plenty of beer. Ain't got no money in my pocket, but I'm already here. And now the dudes are lining up, 'cause they hear we got swagger. But we kick them to the curb unless they look like Mick Jagger. I'm talking about everybody getting crunk, crunk. Boys try to touch my junk, junk. Gonna smack him if he getting too drunk, drunk. Nah, we go until they kick us out. Or the police shut us down, down. Police shut us down, down. Po, shut us down. Don't stop, make it pop. DJ blow my speakers up tonight. I'ma fight till we see the sunlight.